Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to customize who can see your relationship status on Facebook using your PC with the latest update. Facebook gives you control over your privacy, and this includes deciding who gets to see your relationship status. Here's how to do it. 1. Open Facebook. Head over to facebook.com and log into your account if you haven't already. 2. Go to your profile. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it to go directly to your profile. 3. Navigate to the About section. Once you're on your profile, look for the About section. It's usually located under your cover photo or in the tabs on the left-hand side of your profile page. 4. Find relationship status. In the About section, find Family and Relationships. Here, you'll see your current relationship status. 5. Customize visibility. Next to your relationship status, you'll see an audience icon, a little globe or two people. Click on this icon. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. 6. Choose Custom. From the drop-down, select Custom. This option allows you to specify exactly who can and cannot see your relationship status. 7. Fill in the fields. A new window will pop up where you can add specific people or lists of people to share this information with. You can also exclude certain people from seeing it. 8. Save your changes. Once you've made your selections, click the Save button. This ensures that your new settings are applied. And that's it. You've successfully customized who can see your relationship status on Facebook. This is a great way to keep your personal life private and share information only with the people you choose. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Thanks.